Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Daily, the podcast where learning English feels simple, real, and fun. Today's topic is something you do all the time, shopping at the supermarket. Now, this may sound easy, but it's actually one of the best ways to learn real, everyday English, because when you go shopping, you use so many practical words and short, natural phrases that native speakers use all the time.
That's true. At the supermarket, you talk to store workers, read product labels, ask for prices, and interact at the checkout. So in today's episode, we'll go step by step, from entering the store to leaving with your groceries. We'll listen to conversations, explain key vocabulary, and help you sound confident and polite in every situation.
Conversation 1. Asking for items. Let's start from the moment you walk into the supermarket. You need to find something, maybe bread, milk, or rice. Here's a short dialogue. Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
The bread is in aisle 4, right next to the milk section.
Thank you. And do you have brown bread too?
Yes, it's on the top shelf. Would you like sliced or whole?
I'll take sliced, please. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Great. Now, let's talk about some of those useful phrases. Excuse me, where can I find? This is the perfect, polite way to ask for anything. You can change it easily. Excuse me, where can I find rice? Excuse me, where can I find shampoo? Excuse me, where can I find batteries?
Exactly. And you heard the word aisle. An aisle means the long walkway between shelves. Supermarkets usually have numbered aisles, so an employee might say, it's in aisle 4, or you'll find it in aisle 7. And remember, shelf means the flat surface where the products are placed.
Right. Also, the employee asked, would you like sliced or whole? That's a polite way to offer options. You can use this pattern anywhere. For example, would you like small or large? Would you like paper or plastic bag? Would you like fresh or frozen?
Politeness is very important when shopping in English. Simple words like please, thank you, and excuse me make a big difference.
Conversation 2. Asking about prices. Now, let's listen to another short situation. Asking about prices or deals. Customer. Hi, how much is this bag of apples?
It's $3.99 per kilogram.
Oh, okay. Are these on sale today?
Yes, if you buy 2 bags, you get 1 free.
Nice. I'll take 2 then. This is a great example of real shopping talk. The phrase, how much is this, is your go-to question for prices. You can also say, what's the price of this? But how much is this sounds more natural.
And per kilogram or per pound means the price for that amount. You'll often hear that for fruits, vegetables, or meat. For example, $2 per kilo, $5 per pound.
And on sale means it's cheaper than usual. Stores often have signs like on sale, buy one, get one free, or 20% off. These are called discounts or offers.
Exactly. And when you say, I'll take 2, it means I'll buy 2 of them. That's a short, natural phrase for shopping. I'll take it, or I'll take these.
Conversation 3. At the checkout. Now, you've finished shopping and it's time to pay. Here's what you might hear at the checkout counter.
Hello? Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Great. Do you have a loyalty card?
No, I don't.
No problem. Your total is $28.75.
Can I pay by card?
Sure. Please tap or insert your card.
Thank you. Can I get a receipt, please?
Of course. Have a great day.
This is one of the most common conversations in English, and it happens every time you shop. Let's break it down. Did you find everything okay? A polite way for the cashier to check if you got what you needed.
And do you have a loyalty card means a store card that gives you points or discounts. If you don't have one, just say, no, I don't.
Then we have your total is $28.75. You can answer with, can I pay by card? Can I pay in cash? Can I use Apple Pay?
And when you say can I get a receipt, please? You're asking for the paper that shows everything you bought. Always say please and thank you. It's polite and sounds natural.
Vocabulary practice. All right, let's go through some useful supermarket vocabulary. Repeat these words if you can. Basket, the small container you carry. Trolley or cart, the big one you push. An aisle, the long walkway between shelves. Shelf, where the products are placed. Checkout, the counter where you pay. Cashier, the person who takes your payment. Receipt, the paper showing your purchase. Price tag, the small label with the price. Sale, when something costs less. Discount, a price reduction. Expiry date, when food goes bad. Brand, the company that makes the product. Frozen section, where frozen food is kept. Dairy section, milk, cheese, butter, and yogurt.
Produce, fruits and vegetables.
Good. You can make sentences like, I need a trolley for all these items. The bread is in the bakery section. This milk expires next week. That chocolate is on sale today.
Conversation 4. Talking about shopping. Now let's listen to a conversation between two friends after shopping.
Hey, how was your morning?
Pretty good. I went to the supermarket.
What did you buy?
Just the basics: bread, eggs, milk, and some snacks.
Did you spend a lot?
Not really. There was a big sale on fruits.
That's nice. I need to go shopping too. I'm out of coffee.
That's a very natural, everyday dialogue. You can talk about your shopping using the past tense, like I went, I bought, I spent, I found. You can also use I need to for things you plan to buy soon. For example, I need to buy some bread. I need to get some shampoo. I need to go shopping this weekend.
Perfect. These are phrases that you can use in daily life all the time, in small talk or when chatting with friends or coworkers.
Mini role-play practice. Let's do a quick practice together. I'll play the cashier and you can respond as the customer. Hi, did you find everything you were looking for? Great. Your total is $15.20. Sure, please tap your card. Of course. Have a great day.
Well done. Practice this short conversation a few times, and you'll sound much more confident when you shop in English.
Wrap up. So today we learned how to use real English at the supermarket. Asking where things are, checking prices, paying at the checkout, and chatting with friends afterwards.
Exactly. These are simple, practical phrases, but they're used every day in real life. If you practice them often, you'll feel more confident speaking English in any shopping situation.
Remember, it's not just about vocabulary, it's about sounding polite, friendly, and natural. Use excuse me, please, and thank you. They always make a good impression.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Tell us, what's your favorite thing to buy at the supermarket?
Thanks for listening to Speak English Daily. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Until next time, keep learning and speak English every day.